So we're going to be setting up Box and Whisker, and here are the numbers that are given, and here is my number line. All right. What you want to do first, well, there's a lot of steps with Box and Whisker. What you want to do first is make sure that your numbers are first listed in order from smallest to biggest, least to greatest. And for the sake of time, I just put them already in that order, small to big. Then what you want to do next is write those same exact numbers in the same exact order, small to big, right underneath it. So I'm going to do it right underneath it. Not too close, but not too far. Write all these numbers all over again. I'll explain why I did it twice. All right, so what you can do first is first get the median of the top set of numbers. Median, remember, is the same thing as your middle your middle number. So we're going to get the middle of all these numbers. Median, middle. And what you want to do is use the scratch off method. That means I scratch off 2 and 10, then 3, then 8, and I keep my way towards the center till I get one number left in the middle. So I repeat, scratch off 1 to the left, 1 to the right, 1 to the left, 1 to the right, until you're left with one number. So 1 to the left, 1 to the right, 1 to the left, 1 to the right, 1 to the left, 1 to the right, and look at that. What's left is your median. So there's my median. Now comes the second row. All right. With the second row, you're going to get your median. And in this row, you're going to scratch it and put a big line to make two sides, your left side and your right side. So repeat. Then you're going to get your median from the second row and put a line right through it, just big enough where you can cover almost all the number. That way we can have two sides to this, left side, right side. And what you're going to do now is the same exact thing we did to the first top row. You can get the median here, same way. Scratch off 1 to the left, 1 to the right. 1 to the left, 1 to the right. There's your median of your left side, which is 3. Same thing here, 1 to the left, 1 to the right. Scratch that off, and that off, we're left with our median of the right side. And then one more thing, oops, I forgot. Circle your first number here from the top set, and over here as well, the furthest to the right side. By the end of this, you should have 5 numbers circled. 2, 3, 5, 6, and 10. All right, it should form almost like a W. All right, now what we're going to do is plot these points onto my number line. 2, 3, 5, 6, and 10. So let's do that. 2, 3, 5, 8, and 10. Once you got all your 5 dots plotted, you're going to put a line right through all the 5 dots. Try to make it as straight as possible. All right, and then one more thing, you're going to put a box. The box is going to come from your 3 center numbers, or your second, third, and fourth numbers that were circled, or your second, third, and fourth dot. You're going to put a box around those. And there you go. There's your box and whisker. This is your box. That's your whisker. Some people like to put a line through there too. If you want to, go ahead. Let's go over what we have here. This represents your lowest extreme. This is your highest extreme. And right here, let's look at the box. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, and there's your median of your box and whisker. So again, put your numbers in order from least to greatest. Then write the same exact numbers again. Get the median by scratching it off, one by one to the left, one to the right, till you get to the center number. Then get that same number, scratch it off in the second row, and get the median of the left side and the median of the right side. Get those points, plot them, and there's your box and whisker.